Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to play Don't Press the Button, Part 3. So since last year I started Part 1 and Part 2. Now it's Part 3. Let's begin! Huh? Huh? Go! Oh, come on! Thank God. Ooh! Okay. Why? Oh! Oh, come on. There we go. Oh no, okay. I think I'm ready. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Say goodbye, skeletons. No! I took a lot of damage! Yeah? E! What's that weird thing over there? Whoa. There we go.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's the ball and the nine. Let's the ball and the nine.
There you got me. That was a jump scare. I swear it gave me a jump scare. Whoa! Level 5, yeah. I like this one. This is kind of funny. Push him! Huh? I can stay down, just in case. Don't look at me! You don't want to sick unicorn by going on here.
Let's play. Welcome to the Whirly Gig mini game. 60 players start.
Hey, sounds Michael.
What?
I've actually played one full game of the Fall Guys before. I've got a quarterly start here.
Yeah.
At the front of the line, ladies and gentlemen, Allier taking the very first begin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Send me flying. This is actually
Whoa!
good right now. Oh my gosh. It looks like
Let's see.
normally
Huh? Huh? Ha! I need to panic. I need to panic. 100% now. Huh? What's going on? No! Come on! Come on! Come on! Please! Come on! Come on! Come on! Please! Come on! Come on! Come on! Please! This bowling.
Oh my god, don't grab me. I don't have a tail to grab. Get away from me. Okay, so
I don't think I get a card. Oh, that's a dead end. Dead end. Skibbity doo 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 doo. Oh, this is a tactic fair. That's a little tactic.
that's such a good tactic. That's such a good tactic. Oh, I'm pressing the grab. Everyone leave me alone. I'm never getting this tail. Oh no.
Oh no!
A little bit at the end.
This one sucks. Hop, hop, hop. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Huh? Oh, I qualified! Mama, this will be fishing.
The purple thing's nowhere near it. The power
Huh?
hitter is pretty damn.
Oh, oh!
Into qualified position, team tail tag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've not played the tail tag one at all. Use grab to grab a tail. Make sure that your team has more tails than the rest when the timer runs out. Okay, so I don't have a tail. It looks like some of our team do and some of the other team do. So let's grab some tails like that.
Oh!
Gosh, it got taken straight off of me. Going in the blue doesn't seem to be like a good idea. So I'm gonna find somebody with this
Oh!
tail. Oh my gosh, way too much.
Yeep.
Come back here.
Did I just see it out loud?
Oh, you're blocking me.
No, 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 nope, 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 nope. No, ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm smashing. Oh, that's such a good tactic, to be fair. That's such a good tactic. Oh, you're blocking me as well. That's so smart. Oh, you're good. I'm smashing grab button. I'm pressing it up. Get away from me. Get away from me. Everyone leave me alone. You're never getting this tail. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, wait. 14 seconds. 40. Fine. You're never getting this tail. Oh no. Oh no. I'm smashing grab button. I'm pressing the grab. Get away from me. Get away from me. Everyone leave me alone. You're never getting this tail.
Mia wins. Huh? I don't think I ordered my soda. Uh-oh, 20%. Yes! Wait, I have to charge it first. Eh? Find the correct key. I got a badge. Wait, what was that? A noob? Just a noob? Jump! Ha! Ha! Don't search TV! Don't search TV! Don't search TV! Science TV wins! Here I come. Dude. Go! Oh! I hate baby! Oh, sorry guys. I see that loud. That's a swear word, okay?
Only two
Boom,
different
team
styles,
wins.
but nice
You,
team.
but you killed me! Why?
This one 100%. Come on. Oh, I don't think anyone fell there. Oh my god. Orange, cherry, watermelon.
Go, Science TV.
Orange, cherry, watermelon, apple, blackberry. Orange, cherry,
I don't think I want to buy a soda.
Let's go. Qualification, baby. Memory is on point. Oh, yes. I've been waiting to play this one.
Whoa!
3 matches, 5 TNT.
I got TNT one!
Instantly. So be careful. But I'm so down for it. I'm practicing Minecraft.
Yeah!
you can. Bounce between them to last a little bit longer. See what I mean? It's scary. It's very, very scary. I'm going to try and get a little bit aggressive here, cut people off. Why not? Are you kidding me? Okay, this is not good. I've got to survive so long here. I'm just going to chill around the edge. Oh no, this is not too good already. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed watching. Alright guys, we can football redemption. Let's get them goals, Team Blue.
Let it easy go. Come on, come on, come on. Please. Let it easy go. Come on, come on, come on. Please. Let's go. Yeah! He wins. Huh?
Almost an instant goal. Oh my gosh, I need to come help. I need to come help desperately. Defend hard.
Obby,
Defend
my
for a minute and a
favorite.
half.
Go, Titan, go. Go, Titan, go. Yeah.
No. Nice. Oh my god.
Ha!
Going on.
Ha! That's it. I can do it.
Get this out of our goal. Thank you. Great defense.
I think I can do it. Huh? Oh, I want to touch it.
Get it out of here. You want my one goal somehow. Nice. Huge defense. Defending, ladies and gentlemen. I want to win myself a football game. Emery is on point. Oh yes, I've been waiting to play this one. Pretty much inspired.
Skitty one.
Jump over the spinning beams and avoid falling. Can't lie.
Skitty one.
Game when I watched a few tutorials, which I now massively regret, and I have not played it before. I think you get knocked out, you're just out. There's only 12 people qualifying. Are you kidding me? What's tactic? Okay, that's a good one. What's the problem?
What's going on?
Blocks your jump.
You get ready. I hate don't push the button. I gotta play Fall Guys.
Am I blue? Ali blue.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Willie.
What's your
I like Pink Yes. Toy Story 5. I need to pee, okay? I'm back and let's play! Okay, we did this right. Connect to 7 and wait for players. So I see Veen is gonna win. I think me is gonna win the crown.
Urns. Here are some pictures of urns.
Oh yeah, I win. It looks like so for nah. Let's try this again. From the top! like the spin. Here we go to spin. Spinny. Spinny. Oh yeah. Let's keep it that way. Oh my! Oh! I'm gonna dodge these. Yeah! Me is gonna win the crown. No way! Oh my gosh! No. Huh? Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Me is gonna win the crown. Oh! Huh? Is that? Suey. Yo! Looking kind of sus, huh? Alright! Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.